Ever been in love, my voice, or have you felt the pain? I'd rather be in jail myself than be in love again. The girl I loved was beautiful, I'd have you all to know. And I met her in the garden where the pretties grow. It was just a sort of picture, boys, that nature didn't tend. To walk right through the world, my boys, without her reaching bend. And did she wear a sheer none, I'd have you all to know. I met her in the garden where the pretties grow. Then said I, my pretty Kathleen, I'm tired of single life. And if you make no objections, I will make you my sweet wife. She answered me quite modestly, she curtsied very low, saying, you're welcome to the garden where the pretties grow. She was just the sort of creature, boys, that nature didn't tend. To walk right through the world, my boys, without a reason bend. And did she wear a shade none, I'd have you all to know. I met her in the garden where the pretties grow. Well, now that we're married, we've the blessed children free. Two girls just like their mother and that boy the image of me. And now we're going to rear them up the way they ever grow. And they'll pick up in the garden where the pretties grow. She was just the sort of creature, boys, that nature didn't tend. To walk right through the world, my boys, without a reaching bend. And did she wear a shade none, I'd have you all to know. I met her in the garden where the pretties grow. Thank you.